Hi everyone, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. It's time for some happy mail for my postcard challenge 2026 giveaway. This has been extended till March 20th, 2026. So if you'd like to join in the fun, check out the details in the description box down below, and I'll have the video announcement at the end of this video. As I was showing you the past few days, we have been looking at some of the wonderful entries I've received so far, and they're all in this photo album. What I've been doing so far is creating just a fun collage using some of the ephemera and stickers that you guys have given me. I may likely do a little snippet here for the spine. And inside we have all the postcards that I've received so far. So last time we had BB's Closet Creations. That's her postcard. Thank you so much, BB. Today we have some special happy mail, and this comes from a really sweet crafty friend of mine, Carrie the Paper Monkey. If you are not familiar with her channel, it is a wealth of inspiration, and oh my gosh, she is also the queen of building your stash. She makes numerous projects in one sitting, which is really, and I admire so much because I'm a slow crafter, and I'm not as industrious as many of you, but make sure to check it out. She has so many fun creative shares and inspiration. So Carrie, thank you so much. Look at how beautiful she decorated this box, and there's hearts. Let's take a look and see what she sent. Oh my gosh. This has to be more than just a postcard. I'm going to open it on this side. Oh my goodness. Carrie, oh my gosh. Hold on. Let me find the letter. Let's see. This is what I mean. Do you see this? It says True Beauty. Oh my gosh. Wait, where's the letter? This has to be. Well, we'll just go through it because there is so much to go through. I'm just trying to make sure I don't miss her letter. This might be it. Okay, this is the letter. Let me just open it up while you look at this beautiful bundle here. Oh my gosh, I think that was together. Let's just put that all together, and then we have a little note here. Oh, okay. Let's see. And here is Carrie's letter. Dear Clarissa, I hope you get a chance to visit the Acadiana area where I live. One of the most unique things about Louisiana is that every region is different. Acadiana is not like New Orleans, but it's not like Shreveport or Baton Rouge. Those cities are fabulous, but in my opinion, Acadiana is the best that Louisiana has to offer. And I hope I'm pronouncing that city, by the way. Acadiana encompasses 13 parishes in southwest Louisiana. That's right, we have parishes, we don't have counties. This has to do with the fact that we follow the Napoleonic style civil law here. That's a whole history lesson we won't get into, but it is significant and makes us very distinct. The best way I can describe Acadiana is just to tell you that it has its very own soul. The people, the food, the music, the traditions, the dialects, all of it's just amazing and something that you can only experience if you visit here. It doesn't fully translate by watching a television program or a YouTube video. In true Cajun fashion, I have included lagniappe. Lagniappe is a Cajun phrase that simply means a little something extra and is pronounced lawn yop. Yop has the short O sound. I have included a few pieces of tourist information for you that is specific to my area. In fact, the actual postcard that I have included pictures an Acadiana cabin that is located very near to where I live. There are a few other goodies included, and I hope you enjoy them. Thank you for being so kind to me since the beginning of my journey here in YouTube. It's been almost 3 years, Clarissa, and I still can't believe all the friends I've made. You're definitely included in my friend group. With care and kindness, Carrie. Thank you so much. What a beautiful letter. And this is where she printed it on. That was amazing. So much to learn and so much to see. Now let's look at the lanyards that she had included. We have a vellum pocket. And here are some of the pieces. Look at the Mardi Gras colors on this one. There's the mask, the coin. Oh my gosh. I have yet to visit, but I'm hoping I will. And then we have a oh my gosh, I am blanking, guys. Comment, you know what this is. And then we have some of these snippets, and I love the way she has stamped some postage on there. Now, she said that she did include, and here's the postcard. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be reusing this, so we are going to undo that real quick. And this is a log cabin in their area. How beautiful is this log cabin? So here's the back. This is a reproduction of a typical Acadian cabin, and this is on Main Street. How cool is that? We have some brochures. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna read through this, and this is perfect. Some of my friends and I were talking about possibly making a trip out there. So I will definitely make good use of this, and this will be great. Look at the food. Oh my gosh, I love Cajun food. So this will be amazing. I would love to try gumbo and catfish and all the other. Wow, you have shared a lot. And look at this. I can probably take this on my trip if I ever go in the future. Carrie, thank you so much. There's a map. And I could make this and convert it into a traveler's notebook. We have some beautiful bookmarks here, and all pertaining to Louisiana. That is so sweet. And look, she's also included the Bayou Cabins. It's a bed and breakfast, so definitely going to check that out. And here's another one here with one of the oldest, what is it? It's a church? That's really cool. St. Martinville. Amazing. Let's take a look in here. Oh, I would love to stay in one of those cabins. I will have to ask Carrie what season is the best time to visit. I'm not very good with the heat, so you'll have to tell me when to come and visit. But look at these makes. She has included so many extras. She is so cool. Love these trims. I'm actually working on a project for a swap, and I see some trims that I will likely use. Look at this pink one. We have the yellow, and I love these stitches. Look at those colors. Oh my gosh, the polka dots. And then we have our florals, our checkered print. Oh my gosh, more polka dots. And then you can attach your little snippets and clusters on top of that. Oh, thank you so much for sharing this. Oh my gosh. There is more. This is amazing. Look at that. I love the layers that you've made. Like I said, guys, she has so many fun ideas. So make sure to check out her channel. I love it. Oh, wow. These are wonderful projects to make with your scraps. Oh my goodness, look at that. I love the denim and all these beautiful colors. Wow. This is nice and thick. We have the denim, and I love the stitching. Look at this one. Wow. And I think it's part of the fabric. I could be wrong, but look at the variety, and just amazing. And it looks like she's also shared some Mardi Gras fun little charms here. We have a paper clip. So let me put it on top of this for now, just so you could take a look at this jester. Isn't that fun? And then she has also added some of these cute little dangles. We have, let's show you. a cute little monkey, and it looks like that's an eraser. And look at these bead dangles. And I love these are like, to me, Mardi Gras colors. Look at these. That's really fancy. I think I'll use that for the project that I'm working on. I have a project that's like a princess theme, and I think these rhinestone beads and the faceted beads would work so well. So thank you very much. We'll put that right there because there is so much more to look through here. We have this pocket that says True Beauty. And oh my goodness, let's just make sure we didn't miss anything in there. These are so much fun to use as trims. I love the gold on that one. You have shared so many goodies. Thank you so much. This is so generous. Again, guys, if you are joining, I appreciate the extras, but not necessary. But again, Carrie, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I'm definitely going to be using these, and I'll be sharing it in the project share soon. So this came really timely, and I really, 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 look at this, appreciate it. So beautiful. We have this one. And I'm definitely going to use this. I may tea dye this, but look at what she shared. Oh, I love that. Wouldn't that be cute in like a school-themed journal? And then we got these tabs. Oh my God, folder tabs that we can alter and decorate, and some fun hearts. Here we have this cute bag, and I love the florals. And there's more. Oh my gosh. This is too much. Oh, I love this. Ticket, city transport. Wouldn't that be fun to put in a journal? So I'm going to put that there because it's going to be reminding me. We got vouchers. How fun would this be? Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. And we got our flashcards. Oh, and this is so cute. Dream big. Smile big. Oh, wow. Look at this. Okay, so here's an example of some of the clusters that she has made. You got the ticket, you got the ephemera. It could be a journaling card. And look at these, guys. A lot of us have this from our supplies that we order online. I know I have it, and oh, I love it. I love this cute little tab there. This one too with the side. And we have a little scrap, little notepad, and I love the wax seal, faux wax seal, and some brads. How cute is that? And what is this? This is staple. Let me just take off the staple. Here it is, guys. It looks like we have buttons. Let me just put it in a little bowl so that we can have a better look at what they are. Oh, I love these colors. Look at the pastel purples, some yellows and pinks, and that olive green. I love it. Thank you so much. And I'm going to definitely use this envelope. Love it. And then we have one more. I hope I'm not missing anything else. And let me just put our postcard here and beautiful letter in the front. And then here is more. And I love, look at the gold on this one. Wow. Oh, gosh, this is so pretty. Look at this beautiful checklist style paper. And I love that it has different sayings. This is from Van Gogh. Oh, those are really cool. Let's do this. I love this. To doodle, do. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. I have this exact same print in my room right now. So I'm going to put a picture here. This is amazing. It's one of my most favorite photographs from Robert. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much. I love that. And look at this. I love the vintage postcards. And then we have a coaster. How fun is that? We got some recipe cards. Oh my goodness. The tea time themed regular ones. Oh my gosh. How cool is that? I love it. Oh my gosh. There's more. Like, I love strawberries. Oh my goodness. Look at these shoes. I'll go with the guys there. We have a honeybee, more strawberries, and a little heart sticky note. I hope I wasn't frame there. We have an apple one. And look at this. Oh, how cool is that? I love this. This is so awesome. Thank you. Take it easy. And then she's also added some of these pages, and they have some poems. I love this. This is so cool, Carrie. And then we got more pages here. Oh my goodness. Really, really fun. And it's in French. We can use that for our collages, which I love and I'm going to be working on. Here's another look at the amazing entry from Carrie, the paper monkey. Please make sure to check out her channel on the weekends. I believe Saturday she has a live for her coffee series in crafting. It's Saturday Coffee Clutch, if I'm not mistaken. And then she has her Sundays as well. But she has so many fun collaborations and videos showing you how to make ephemera, journal flip-throughs, hauls, you name it, she has it. And she is so much fun to watch and listen to. And when I'm crafting, I'll play her video. Or if I'm just doing something in the kitchen and cooking or whatnot, she is just a joy. So again, Carrie, thank you so much, my sweet friend. Thanks again for joining, guys. If you would like to join the giveaway, check out this video at the end. I'll see you next time. Happy weekend. Bye.